Hey everyone, welcome back. Side Yard Mechanic. As you can see, we're riding our 1956 Schwinn American. This is a middleweight cruiser. It's got the BENDIX 2-speed rear hub. Put some fresh tires on it, tuned it up, redid all the bearings, put all new decals on it. Came out looking pretty nice. This bike rides real smooth. This is the first one of these that I've done. It's a nice tube. What is it? 26 by 2 by 1 3/4 S7 tires on it. Put a new front axle. Rebuilt the rear hub. Coaster brake. This thing's pretty cool. So it's got the hand shifter. So right now we're in high gear. If you want to shift to low, you push that out, and now you pedal a little faster, and then go into high gear. Runs nice and smooth, nice and quiet. Coaster brake works pretty good. I do got the front brakes that mount on the forks. I just need to rebuild those and get a few parts for it. I'm kind of debating whether or not I want to bolt them on here or not. I mean, I know it'll complete the bike, but at the same time, I kind of like the look without them. But let me go ahead and pull up over here so you guys could take a look at this thing. All right, so here we are off of the bike now. Just walk you guys around it. Came out pretty nice. Bike isn't perfect, but it's definitely way nicer than when we started. Was able to get the rims cleaned up pretty nice. Chrome. Spokes got a little bit of surface rust. You can see the wear in the rim here from the brake. Like I said, I'm not sure if I want to put those brakes on that mount on the blade of the fork. Like, I know it will complete the look, but I kind of like how it's nice and clean. I was thinking about maybe just putting a pinstripe here on the rim to kind of cover that, and then it also break it up a little bit. But yeah, put the new tires on, put a new chain, rebuilt the rear hub, picked up the seat off of eBay, did a quick little refurbish on that. Resprayed the seat pan and the springs. You could check out the video. Put a card up there in the corner for that. Also for the rear hub, if you're looking how to rebuild these 2-speed manual shift BENDIX hubs, I got a step-by-step video on that. Do need a set of fenders for it. Came out pretty nice. Got the eBay decal set. Put those on. Put the different Seat 2 badge on it, because this kit comes with just like a white Seat 2 badge, but I seen some pictures with this one on it, and I really like this gold one. I think this might be like a Phantom, off of a Phantom, but I like how it complements the gold on that checkerboard there, and also the gold chain I put on it. So I like this bike. Turned out to be a pretty nice project. Turned out to be a really nice bike. Runs really smooth. Shifts nice and easy. Coaster brake works pretty good. I think because of the gearing, the brake is a lot stronger in first gear than it is in second gear. These are some made in Taiwan pedals. They're like some Union pedal knockoffs, I think. But I just took them apart and cleaned them up and rebuilt, re-greased all the bearings in it. Came out pretty nice. So I'm just gonna go ahead and enjoy this. I got some racks so I could put it on the back of my Dodge, my 51 Dodge, and take this to some of the car shows. So I'm sure you guys will be seeing it in some more videos. Cool little bike to go cruise around town, cruise around car shows and different events. So yeah, I learned a lot on this project, how to rebuild, the rear hub, different things, even how to do the decals. I've done decals like this on model cars, but never done them on a big scale. So it was a pretty cool project, pretty cool experience. Go ahead and check out our playlist on this. If you want to see the step-by-step, go ahead and like, subscribe. Would like to hear a comment from you guys. And yeah, we'll see you guys on the next one.